Thoughtful details all around the new Santa Fe take care of you at any time and in any situation.
Mom, Max is coming with us, right?
Of course. Stop playing and let's get ready to go.
The wrap door keeps your clothes clean in any weather.
Daddy, I want to take these, please.
Sure thing.
The third row is now a comfortable space with easy access.
Honey, did we miss anything?
The tailgate opens automatically when needed.
Hey, this too.
Got it. All right, heading out. Almost as gorgeous as you.
Stop.
Amy, let me try.
Amy, Michael, be careful.
Wide and comfortable interior design with consideration given to the smallest details. The wide 8-inch display makes your smartphone easier and safer to use. Each of your holding and resting hand motions becomes a bit more comfortable. It has the biggest second-row legroom in its class. And the third-row cabin space has also become roomier. Folding the second row has become easier thanks to the digital switch on the luggage side. And the large trunk space allows leisure activities with limitless storage possibilities.
Dad, it's a seagull. Wow, that's amazing.
You guys want to see it? Want me to stop?
Careful when you guys get out.
The seagull is right there on the sea.
Michael, be careful. Woo! It was so close.
Sorry, Dad.
Santa Fe always anticipates your needs. It informs you in advance. And will, at times, move on its own. It lets you know when you need rest. And in emergencies, will automatically protect the car and you. The first ever ROA, which applies ultrasonic sensors, checks for occupants in the rear seats to help you ensure that no children or pets are left behind. It even senses dangers in advance, preventing collisions when reversing. The new Santa Fe, built strong, yet with the most delicate considerations. The heart of the Santa Fe beats with you.
We all find moments in our lives when we depend on our strength to push us forward. Whether inherent or found, it is the force that defines us and establishes our character. Mercedes-Benz is no different. They know that strength comes from having confidence in yourself and in what's around you. The 2020 GLE is the result of generations of leadership in design and engineering. A powerful promise of trust and capability with the strength of character that can only come from Mercedes-Benz. The GLE comes with a suite of onboard intelligence systems.
Hey, Mercedes.
How can I help you?
I'm cold.
I'm setting the temperature to 72 degrees.
Hey, Mercedes. I'd like a hot stone massage, please.
I'm switching on the massage.
When you have strength, you inherently find the desire to push into the unknown. Hey, Tony, it's beautiful out there. You're gonna love it.
Can't wait.
The capabilities of the GLE were engineered to meet your demands. Sand, snow, or whatever you run into, Mercedes-Benz is there to help. Agile on the road with one of the most advanced suspension systems ever built, the GLE gives every wheel its own control, allowing it to lean into corners, reducing G-force to maintain proper balance, both inside and out. The 2020 GLE is currently available with either a 4-cylinder or a 6-cylinder engine. The Active Distance Assist Distronic feature can help you maintain a safe distance in slow or stop-and-go traffic, which can keep you in a good mood. The more advanced feature, Active Stop and Go Assist, is ready to help with traffic jams on larger highways. Thanks to something called EQ Boost, this is the first GLE to use energy recovered from braking and systematic engine shutoffs to deliver a boost of energy when you want it, virtually eliminating turbo lag. You get quick, reliable power without hesitation. Mercedes-Benz knows the safest way to be protected in an accident is to try and avoid one in the first place. For example, intelligent drive systems that can help keep you in your lane or avoid and evade dangerous situations. During an accident, the pre-safe sound feature can help protect your ears against damaging loud noise. Just one more way, Mercedes-Benz safeguards both you and your passengers. The 2020 GLE features significantly more space, especially for passengers in the rear. It also offers an optional LED intelligent light system with ultra-range high beams that adapt to curves and traffic so you can see more of what's ahead. The SUV that invented the class 20 years ago is still leading the way in every arena of driving. For people with a discerning eye for design and superior standards of quality, the GLE is the perfect counterpart. The strength and performance of the 2020 GLE keeps the future looking brighter. To learn more or configure your own GLE,
Simply clever.